baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be.
Tripping, cause you in the process. When you ask God for something, quit tripping. You got it here. Well, Lord, if I could just stay with him a little bit longer. Maybe you don't need him. Maybe he's the reason you ain't got nothing now. Well, I don't believe him. I've been with him 8. But now, God can't give you what you want.
So my coffee is done. I just ordered some new capsules. So those should be here soon. So I got these really cute little gingerbread candy molds. You can freeze like coffee, you can freeze your almond milk and put it in there. But right now I just have like just regular ice. But look, it's so cute. Y'all know I like doing little cute stuff like this. Okay, Google, pause. Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Excuse the way I look. I have a lot going on. I am hosting right now. So I have my friend over here, my friend Tamika, Ryan's coming over, and Kalila. So we're just gonna hang out at the house. I'm getting ready to fry some fish. We're gonna have some food, have some drinks, and I'm gonna be with my friends. Today is Saturday. I'm in my garage. But y'all already know it's game day. So I am on my way. And I'll see you guys when I get there. So y'all, the clear shades that I had on earlier, I know they were sold out on Free People, but they're back in stock. So I told you guys that I wanted to order a backup pair. So I ordered 2 more. So if you guys are interested, they're back in stock. Good morning, y'all. It is Sunday morning and it's raining today. This rain is really messing up my plans, but it's kind of relaxing. I kind of like it. So y'all know I always take my cushions off of my chairs, but I did get the what is that stuff called? The furniture, the outdoor furniture Scotch Guard from Amazon. It finally came in on yesterday. So let me show it to you. So this is it. It helps reduce UV fading and repels rain and snow. But I think I'm still going to, you know, just take the cushions off, just bring them out, you know, when I'm using them. So, but I'm still going to use some of this stuff. And this was, I think, I bought 2 cans, and I think it was like, maybe like $20. So, yeah. So, this is what I'm doing today. Y'all know I do this probably like every 6 months. I just go through my things and give away what I'm not wearing. So what I usually do is I always have like 2 bins in my closet. One for like my workout stuff, and then this one is usually like clothes that, like t-shirts and just things that I can lounge around in. But because of the pandemic, my lounge pile is extremely large. So I'm gonna toss all of this stuff out right here, and then these things here I can actually give to someone like my little sister or somebody like that. Some of that stuff still have tags on it. And then this is the pile that I'm gonna keep, probably like jeans that need to be folded up. And I usually keep my jeans folded up in the closet, but they ended up in the bins because I probably was too lazy to put, well, it's no properly, girl, I was too lazy to put it up, so the stuff ended up in the bin. So some of this stuff needs to be hung up or folded and put away. They don't belong in these bins. So this is the pile, which this pile is still too big, so I'm still gonna go through that pile again. But right here, this is like all my workout stuff. Girl, I have like new stuff in here that I forgot I even had. And y'all remember when I bought these, because I tried all these on. Like I got the lime green ones, the rust, the purple. These are just like workout shorts. The hot pink. And I've never even worn any of this stuff because I just wear like the same workout pants. I got these from Target. Just like a lot of, you know, nice, comfortable workout stuff. So that's what that bin's all about. And like I said, this one is just usually like my my t-shirts and just stuff that I can grab like when I'm out of the shower. This is what I keep in my bedroom closet because the stuff that I have hung up, that's in my studio closet. And Tony, the bedroom closet is basically Tony's. So, but I just have these bins. This is like my sleepover bin, okay? Because I didn't have anything in those closets, and I keep telling him, like, I feel like I'm spending the night at my boyfriend's house. Like, I have to have something in this closet. So I just got these 2 bins. But as you guys can see, like, this is not a lounge shirt. And then I have like some bikinis and all kind of crazy stuff. So I gotta just sort all of this stuff out. But like I said, all of this here is getting tossed because, like I said, this was just like all the sweatsuits and sweatshirts and joggers and different stuff that I bought during the pandemic. And this is a lot, okay? This is like way too much. So I'm gonna take all of this to like a homeless shelter, a woman's shelter, or something like that. So that's what I'll be doing with these things here. And then, like I said, this stuff right here probably just go to my little sister. So this was on my to-do list for probably like a week. So I'm happy that I finally tackled it and got it out of the way. So yeah, let me finish doing this. Okay, y'all, so my capsules came in. I actually ordered these from Amazon. So I got the caramel cookie, I got the hazelnut muffin, and the vanilla custard pie. So I think it comes with 10 in a box. So I'm so excited to try these. So yeah, this is how they look. Oh, it smells so good. There's 10 capsules in a box. So I should be set for 30 days. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a cup because I'm so excited about this and I love my Nespresso machine. So I think I'm gonna do the caramel cookie first, and I'll let you guys know if I love it or not.
You'll never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, 'cause when you're gone, I miss your face. Late o'clock, body talk, there's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart, issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Hey, bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time, no cap, no lies, it's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time, no cap, no lies, it's our encore. I never wanna give you up. I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it through. I'm here for you, you're not by yourself. Late o'clock, body talk, there's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better.
Okay, y'all, so I guess it was good. I made like a broccoli and rice casserole with it, which isn't what I would usually make, but that's what my son wanted, so it was really good, obviously. And the gravy was really good. I might freeze this gravy because I really like the way that it turned out. So yeah, dinner was a success.
Don't take it. Take it. Just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying.
Today I'm going to do my little pamper routine. This is actually the skin products that I've been trying for my nighttime skin routine. I've been doing it for about 2 weeks. This is the only thing new that I've added to my skin routine, and I'm telling y'all, this stuff have my skin looking really nice, so I like it. I double cleanse, so I cleanse with this one first, and then I cannot give up my Aveeno. I've been using this forever, so this is definitely my ride or die. And I've also been using the Mario Badescu Rose Water forever, so I will never give up using this. And then my Bobbi Brown eye cream, so I just put this on after I cleanse my face. I put my Bobbi Brown eye cream and then I spray my face with the rose water, and this is what I do at night, and my face looks so nice and radiant when I wake up the next morning. Yeah, so that's what I've been doing. But I'm gonna do my face steamer tonight. I got this face steamer from Amazon. I'll have the link in the description box if you guys are interested. But I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.
Been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking